Hold on, ha. I'm chatting someone. Oh, thanks for the 3 likes. Yay, yay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have running nose right now. I have running nose right now. I'm afraid I'm gonna get cold. I will get cold. I'll get the cold. So, thanks for the 3 likes. Guys, please comment. Let's talk. I like talking with you guys. So if you wanna ask any question, please do ask. I will try to answer as much as I can. Okay? And if you wanna know more about me, everyone's being quiet. Yes, it is. Right now, it is quiet, but the frogs are noisy. The frogs are noisy across the street because right now, I'm sure there's so many water down there across the street because the land is lower than where I am right now. So it is noisy. I can hear it from here. It's noisy. I don't know if you heard it, but I can hear it. But I feel sorry for my neighbor that live over there, that there are so many frogs right now is making noise. I hope they will sleep good tonight. I hope they will sleep good tonight. Wait, guys. It's like I got stuck something on my nose. There's something, but I cannot take it out. I don't like, I hate getting cold. I will sleep today. Do you have any, did you have your air condition on, Pat Kelson? I will sleep today during the day. Huh? I will sleep today during the day. Oh, okay. Well, I hope you'll sleep good. I hope you'll sleep good, Pat Kelson. I'm sure you have air condition. Yes, air condition on 24/7. Wow. 24/7. I wish I could on my aircon for 24/7, but right now my air condition is no good. I think I need it fixed. I need it fixed, but right now I just cannot afford to have it fixed. It's gonna cost me a lot to fix it. So we'll just have to do without air condition. Anyway, I'm not gonna, even if it's hot in here, I will not do air condition. Even though how hot it is, I cannot afford to have the air condition right now. So we'll just have to do without air condition. 6 are watching. Hello, shout out. 6 are watching. Please comment. Please comment, guys. So